Hello dear students of KG2, good morning. So KG2, here in this class of English, we are going to revise E sound words, A sound words and I sound words. Okay. So we will revise it orally first, then we will have an exercise over it. Okay. So let us start. The revision will be done orally. So first we will read it and you have to read with the teacher. Pen. Bin. Tin. Lid. Kid. KG2, let me tell you an interesting fact that the sound that K produces is called a kite k. K जो sound produce करता है उसे kite k कहा जाता है और जो C sound produce करता है उसे cat k कहा जाता है. So this is kite k. Kid. Nib. On the next page. Beb. Repeat with the teacher. Beb. Fig. Lip. Pit. Zip. Fish. Because this SH, they together say shh. So the word is fish. Next is again this SH. They say shh together. Ship. Repeat with the teacher. Ship. Next is milk. Again milk. मैम ने जब पढ़ाया था तभी बोला था N and G जब एक साथ आएंगे तो वो कहेंगे So the word is ring. And here it is hill. Double L, always say hill. So the word is hill. KG2, this video is for oral only. Okay, and after that I will give a short exercise over on E sound words, A sound words and I sound words. Again, E A I. E A I. So come on, read with the teacher. Jim has a big bat. KG2, whenever this A is alone, अगर ये कभी भी A alone है, that means it is a word. जो हम एक कहते हैं ना, एक, वही ये अ है. And you will always say it a. A नहीं कहना है. Okay, so the sentence is Jim has a big bat. जिम के पास एक बड़ी सी बैट है. Next is Jim hit a big bin. Jim hit a big bin. जिम ने एक बड़ी सी बिन को हिट किया. हिट करने का मतलब होता है, what is hit? Like I am hitting the notebook. Hit. Hit. Or I am hitting this box. See. Hit. Hit. Okay. So, Jim hit a big bin. Next is Kim is thin. थिन का मतलब होता है पतला. सो किम एक बॉय है जो क्या है, पतला है. किम इज थिन. किम थिन है. नेक्स्ट इज किम. किम इज अ नेम. किम सॉ अ पिग. किम सॉ अ पिग. किम सॉ मीन्स देखा. किम ने एक पिग को देखा. नेक्स्ट इज किम हैज अ बिग बैट. किम हैज अ बिग बैट. Sorry, this is not bad. This is bin. Kim has a big bin. Kim has a big bin. किम के पास एक बड़ी सी बिन है. Bin has a big lid. और बिन की लिड बड़ी है. Bin has a big lid. Next is Jim hit Kim. जिम ने किम को हिट किया. Jim hit the pig. Jim hit the pig. It was not bin also, it was a ball. Okay, now come to the next sound, that is A sound. A. A. R A ray. P A pay. T A tay. M A may. R A ray. Ch A chay. L A lay. Sp A spay. J A jay. G A gay. S A say. N A nay. F Fay, a, pay. Now some of the words of A sound words. R, a, rain. Tr, a, train. N, a, nail. Ch, a, chain. T, a, tail. J, a, jail. Sn, a, snail. P, a, paint. Revise these words. Okay, so have you revised? So these were A sound words. Now we are going to read out I. Long I sound words. Long I sound words. KG2, this is your revision class of these three sounds. So the words are P, I, pie. L, I, lie. Fl, I, fly. Fr, I, fry. T, I, tie. D, I, die. Cr, I, cry. Dr, I, dry. And here it is. I and ER. There is a T between I and E. मैम ने क्या बोला था? अगर ऐसा कोई भी ब्लेंड होता है जहाँ पर दोनों वोवेल्स के बीच में कंसोनेंट होता है तो वो कंसोनेंट का साउंड बाद में प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. लाइक आई ट, आई ट, आई क, आई ख, आई ट, I, d, I, d. So the words are k, ite, kite. B, ite, bite. L, ike, like. B, ike, bike. V, ite, white. R, ite, right. V, ite, wide. Now some of the words of I sound words. Long I sound words. K, ite, kite. T, I, tie. P, I, pie. D, I, die. F, I, five. H, I, hive. Sl, I, slide. V, I, white. N, I, nine. B, I, bite. Now KG2, we are going to do a small written exercise on these three sounds and we are going to do rhyming words. What we are going to do? Rhyming words. So take out your notebooks. Put today's date. Today is 9th of September 2020. Put CW and put heading as rhyming words. You know what are rhyming words? Rhyming words end with the same sound. Rhyming words end with same sound or the same ending words. The same ending words are called rhyming words. And we are going to write 7 rhyming words. 1, And this exercise is match it. M-A-T-C-H, match, I-T, it. You will be given 7 rhyming words, pair of 7 rhyming words that you have to match. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 rhyming words that you need to match. Okay, so the first word is P-I, pie. Here in this column, the first word is P-I, pie. The second word is F-I, fish. This is your written work. Next is K-I, kid. Next is R-A-N, rain. Write it, I'm just coming. K-A-L, tail. The next is K-I-T, kite. And the last one is I matched them. Now the next is, in the next column the first word is lid. B-I-T, bite. T-I, tie. D-I, dish. F-I, 5. N-A, nail. Train. Now we are going to match the same sound words, or we can say that the rhyming words. So we have to match rhyming words. So first of all, I am searching the rhyming word for pie. Pie. का last word क्या है? I. So pie will be matched with tie. Fish. Dish. Kid. Number 3, kid. Lid. Rain. Number 4 is rain. Train. Now next is tail. Nail. Number 6, kite. Bite. And the last one is hive. 5. So these were the rhyming words of I, A, E sound words, or the rhyming words of E, A and I sound words. So KG2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.